In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide the photos from your photos gallery and also how to find hidden album on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Photos app. And then if you would like to hide some photo or video, you can easily do so. Just long press on a photo you want to hide and then tap at hide and hide again. What that will do, that will move the photo to the hidden album. If you would like to hide multiple photos at once, tap at select, then select several photos or videos, tap at three dots, then hide and hide again. Also, we are able to hide a photo from here. If we open up a photo, we'll be able to hide it by tapping right there. And that's where we can also find hide feature. Now guys, how we can easily find the album where all hidden photos are stored. To do that, we need to go to Albums. Just tap right here to activate Albums tab. After that, scroll down to the very bottom where you can easily find hidden album. If hidden album is not showing here, we need to go to settings. On settings, scroll down until you find photos, and then scroll down again and make sure the option which is called show hidden album turned on. If this toggle switched off, just tap on it to show hidden album just in the utilities section on your Photos app. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.